Oh yeah. Hi guys, welcome to Damilola's kitchen. Before we start, I would like to tell you that you should please go to my YouTube channel at Damilola Olaleye on YouTube, or if you can't search Damilola Olaleye on YouTube, just search Mary Dami on YouTube. And please like, share, comment, give it a thumb up, and please turn on the notification bell. Now let's get started. Today we'll be making roasted vegetables. First, I will name all my ingredients. This one is squash. See, this is how squash looks like. I want to show you. Yeah, and there is big one of squash. This is it. This is zucchini. This is it. It always look like its counterpart. This is eggplant. You see, eggplant. But if you are in Nigeria, you can't find this kind of eggplant. If you can't find it, use the white one that you find. It doesn't mean that you say, oh, maybe use this kind. So I in the store I find the white one. No, use the one you can find. This is eggplant. Everybody know carrot. This is carrot. Carrot. This is it. You use carrot. Then I will be using seasoning. This is seasoning. I will be using oil. I will be using salt. Now, before I mention this, we will use onion. I already sliced my onion or cut the onion. Now, this is my spice. I made the spice by myself. I'm not promoting for anybody. I'm promoting my business. This is it. So, this is Mary Dami spice. This is it. Mary Dami spice. Now, let's get cooking. All these ingredients, you have to cut them a little by little. And I will show you how I cut it. Then we'll get started. This is the onion. I've already cut the onion. I put it in this side. I will cut this. But if you can't find all these vegetables, you can use the one that you can find. See? This inside. This is how inside it looks like. The squash. This is how it looks like inside. Then you cut it this way. And cut it this way too. This way. You see? Then you start cutting. Make sure that you cut it the size that you like. This is how I like it. So that I can eat it with my rice, or if I want to eat it with pasta, so I'll be able to eat it with it. Now, this is everything. See, this is it.
Courgette.
You can call it courgette or zucchini. You can call it courgette or zucchini. Okay, this is everything. I'll put it in this. I'm just arranging the plate. I'll put it in this big bowl, this blue big bowl. I'll put everything, because the reason why I'm putting it in this big bowl is because you see they can't contain it, and I've washed it, I've done everything. So put everything inside, the onions, the zucchini or courgette, the eggplant, the carrot, put everything there. Now you see, there is a lot. I'm telling you, when I finish cooking it, you'll be so shocked that it's not a lot. Let's put our Mary Dami spice to the equation. You make it taste good. You see, season it very well, because if you don't season it very well, it will taste very, very bland and it will not be tasty. You add your seasoning powder to it. Make sure you put it very well, because you make it taste good. You add your salt. Make sure you salt it, because it will take the moisture. It will take the moisture out of it. The salt will help it take the moisture out of it. Season it very well. It will not be salty, I promise you. Then you add your oil to it. Add it to it. Then you mix everything together. I will put it in our baking sheet. Okay? If you want to use spoon, you can use spoon. If you want to use your hand, you can use your hand. Do you? You see? The seasoning does not show. That's the reason I had a lot. See? This is it. If you can smell it, it smells like when you are making fried rice. That's how it smells. So it smells good. If your kid does not like vegetables, how I'm making it this way, your kid will eat vegetables. Now, this is it. It has been in this bowl for like 5 minutes. I'll pour it in this baking sheet. Let's pour. You see, I line it with this paper so that it will cook and it will not stick together. It will not stick to the baking sheet. This thing looks like it's much, but it's not much. Make sure you put everything inside. You eat. Then spread it over. Just spread it. Then I'll put it in the oven. I'll let it cook for as long as it takes to cook. I can't tell you, because it may not make many of it, because we like vegetable in our house. It will be gone like one day. So now we'll put it in the oven. I will show you what next. Now I've already finished cooking it. This is it. This is it. So now I can't tell you that you should cook it for 10 minutes or 20 minutes. I can't say that. Cook it until your ancestor tell you that it's enough. That's what you should cook it. If you like it crunchy, cook it less. If you like it soft, cook it, because now I like it soft. You don't like it to be too crunchy, because if you want to make it crunchy, you make it a salad. But this is not a salad. So see, it's soft, it's delicious, it's tasty. See, I use this Mary Dami spice. Yes, Mary Dami spice. See, it's coming your way soon. This is it. Thank you. Don't forget to like and comment and thumbs up. Thumbs up will help my video. Thank you, and see you next time.